harder. You go to see the children.
Sir, what are you telling me? That may advice kayo sa kanila or select advice? Advice niyo, sir, sa mga ano, may
They're
safety.
old enough to know how to do They're old enough to know what's good for them.
Sir, you want them to be
So
bold?
they know to listen to people. They know what's happening.
Sir, you want them both to win?
Of course, of course. Of course. I want to know what.